My name is Roman, and today I'm gonna tell you about the Cloudbroker company that involved in the Change2Twin project, about our experience, and also about the product we use. So our team has a broad experience in European projects where the end product is mainly involved in the cloud computing, digitalization, smart manufacturing, and so on. Some of them you might know, like Cybus, Cloud SME, Cloud Factoring, Cola, Digital Brain. In the current project Change2Twin, our team is working on Middleware module. It is abstraction layer that receives end-user requests from marketplace and executes the computation on the infrastructure layer. It mainly utilizes existing features of our product called Cloudbroker platform. We do something that happens behind the scenes, let's say. However, with our colleagues, we always brainstorm how to each marketplace feature would fit DIH and SMEs needs in the future. Speaking about our product, Cloudbroker Platform, or CBP, is a commercial application for deployment and execution of compute-intensive, scientific and technical software in the cloud. It provides you a platform where you can offer your own cloud resources and application software or use resources and software provided by your team. Two core elements of platform is instances and jobs. Instance is basically a virtual machine on a particular cloud that can be set up either from scratch or using an existing deployment with pre-installed operation system and software set. Some additional features you can add to your instances are follows. You can configure your own firewall rules. You can add an attachable storage in order to save the data, even in case of unexpected instance failure. You can select a key pair, allowing to connect to instance via SSH. Also, you can register and set a domain name, providing a constant internet address to your instance. And additionally, we support Cloud Init option that allows you to add a set of scripts that are executed as soon as the instance is started. The next one is job, is an abstraction allowing to execute different tasks on these instances. Overall process is quite simple. You bring up your software to our platform and assign a task for it. Upload your input files required for the task and submit the job. This virtual machine could be reused in the future. You should not pass the whole process again and again if you want to run another job with your software. So once the job is finished, platform store logs and output files, so you could easily download and review them. And you can track the both jobs and instances progress and status on live. Here you can see cloud and HPC providers we currently support. So the main idea of our platform is that despite all of diversity of cloud providers, you use a single mechanism to operate with them, either through our user interface or API calls, depends on your wishes. Here you can see the most used software and operational system we deploy. There are many of them, but some popular like Altair software, ANSYS, Autodoc Wina, Blender, OpenFOAM, and so on. From operational system, it usually depends on user needs like Windows Server and Linux distributives such as Ubuntu and CentOS. Cloudbroker platform was already used within the project pilots, where different softwares are involved in main digital twin process. It concerns modeling, simulating, and converting process examples. Our partners had their digital twin assessment, so they came with strict technical requirements and desired software. Key features were to have a single mechanism to register and run virtual machines in different clouds with minimal user involvement in the process, have accessibility to virtual machines via DNS, SSH, have a job mechanism, and the key advantage of this approach was to have a remote control software and virtual machine, to have a cloud storage, so you don't need to store your files locally, and potentially is to have a possibility to prepare your software or solution to be deployed at the Change2Twin marketplace that we always keep in mind while we are cooperating with our partners. So how to implement Cloudbroker to your digital twin? I assume most of the participants know what software needs to be used in the digital twin project, what software fits better, and your colleagues might even have strict technical requirements. Let's say the first step is already covered. Once we go on, we can discuss technical requirements to ensure that cloud solution covers all of them. With defined requirements, we take care of all manual routines so that you will receive access to platform to start your work with virtual machine or deploy software. Once you've worked with cloud solution and made respective tests, you will need to integrate it to the entire digital twin process. We will help to ensure the process on cloud side with your needs, like availability time, storage, backups, and so on. Most important is to maintain the cloud solution and monitor it with respect to digital twin so that we can enhance and track the performance. During KPIs management, for instance, cloud solutions can also help with identifying bottlenecks like efficiency if some processes need to be on cloud as well or can preferably be done locally. So this were the 4 key steps for implementing Cloudbroker. Also, here you see a few clouds that briefly describe the advantages of cloud solution that many of digital twin technologies now being used. So this is all from my side. Please let me know if you have any questions for now, and thank you for your attention.